네, 안녕하세요 여러분들. 코어소리영어 신원국입니다. 네, 사실 이제 수현 씨가 저희 이제 코어소리영어 듣고 있잖아요. 근데 코어소리를 듣는데 지금 89개를 끝냈어요. 그죠?
네.
스토리를 89개를 끝냈고, 그래서 이미 너무 영어 실력이 많이 늘었다 보니까 바로 좀 여러분들한테 이거를 좀 보여드리려고 해요. 그래서 수현 씨가 어떻게 공부했고 이런 것도 좀 설명을 해줬으면 좋겠고, 그다음에 이제
영어를?
이제 원어민과 실제로 이렇게 대화하는 영상을 좀 촬영을 하려고 이 영상을 켰습니다. 수현 씨랑 이제 만나서 뭐 대화를 나누면 될 것 같아요. 저희 이제 코어소리 영어가 그냥 학습 방법이 아니잖아요. 뭐 문법하고 단어 외우고 이런 공부 방법이 아니라 진짜 영화 보고 스토리텔링 하고, 근데 이게 진짜 늘어? 이게 진짜 돼? 이런 어떤 궁금증을 가지신 분들이 많은 걸로 제가 알고 있는데, 이 영상을 보고 여러분들이 뭔가 조금 어떤 좀 확신을 더 갖는 계기가 됐으면 좋겠습니다. 그래서 여러분들 이제 보이시다시피 이제 옆에 원어민 이제 분이 있어요. 이름은 노엘이고요. 한국 문화를 좀 많이 좋아하시는 분이에요. 그다음에 텍사스 출신이시거든요.
텍사스 전기톱으로 이렇게 5개로 잘라.
지금 한국에 오신 지 2년 정도 되신 상황이라고 보시면 될 것 같아요. 그래서 한국어도 조금은 하시는데, 뭐 영어는 이제 네이티브시니까 그래서 완전 익숙하게 이렇게 하시고, 그렇습니다. 그렇고 그렇습니다. 네. 오케이. 그래서 수현 씨랑 뭐 인사하고 하면 될 것 같아요. 저는 빠지고. 네.
Nice to meet you.
Yeah, my name is. Oh yes, you know my name already. Okay. He introduced me.
Yeah.
Yes, you already know me. Okay. Where do you live now? In Korea.
I live in Itaewon.
Have you been? I hang out with my friend to Itaewon.
Why did you want to start studying English?
Yeah. I have no job now.
Yeah.
I want to get a new job to abroad.
So you have a lot of time to study. Free time.
Yes, but I didn't study all the time.
She was really friendly and a little bit nervous at first, but when she got comfortable, she speaks really well.
But I use this program for maybe 2 months.
I think you're doing really good.
Oh really?
Yeah. I mean,
Thank
you
you.
can understand well, right? So.
Yes. Yes, listening is better than speaking.
Oh,
Yes.
yeah. Speaking's always really hard.
I was actually
Yes.
really impressed with her English because she has really good listening skills. So she can understand me even if I'm speaking really fast in English. She just understood. And so she was going along with it. She was like, yeah.
It
He
doesn't
gave me this chance to talk with you.
Mhm.
Yes. So I'm very glad to see you.
Cool.
Yeah.
Me too. Yeah, no, you should definitely
Yeah.
just, it doesn't matter what you say, just say it and we'll figure it out. So
Okay.
it'll be
Yeah.
fun. Just say whatever you want.
Okay.
When Koreans are learning
Hello.
English in school, they're so hyper focused
Mhm.
and they put too much pressure on themselves. So they lose like the fun aspect of like conversing in English. Whereas like this way is more comfortable and then they get to build their confidence. Like she had fun talking. That's the fun part. When you get to actually meet someone and make a connection and talk to them. So I think that's a way better way for Koreans to learn English.
Why you come to Korea?
Every time I meet Korean people, they're so nice to me and they're so friendly and they're very welcoming.
Yes.
So I was like, maybe I should go there.
Yes, Korean people very kind.
Yeah,
Yes.
actually, yes. And funny,
Yes,
really funny.
Yeah.
And not what you think they are.
later we go hang out
Yeah.
without camera.
Yeah, exactly.
Yes, without camera. Yeah.
And she'll be more relaxed. She'll be like, what's up, let's party.
Mhm.
I think Koreans are really, really shy. Like in America, if you see somebody, you can just walk up to them and be like, hi, I'm sorry, I like your jacket. Where did you buy it? You know, or something. Oh, I bought it at I love it, blah, 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 you know? But like in Korea, if you go and tell somebody that, they're like, thank you.
Yeah.
Why are you talking to me?
Very
So,
shy.
yeah, they
Yeah.
just get like nervous.
Yes,
Wait.
me too.
Yeah.
Yeah. Now I am just that, but I will change
Yeah.
myself. What is your difficult thing to leave another country?
So when you're out and you need to sign papers or you need to understand like, oh, I need to make an appointment or I need to go to the doctor or I need something like that, that's really important.
Then you speak Korean a little.
A lot. I speak Korean a lot,
Oh,
actually.
wow.
Too much.
Too much. Okay. It's you said that you speak Korean too much. Yeah, too much. Okay. Yeah, too much. Let's talk about something in Korean. Okay? It's okay? Yes, you.
Yeah, you're so happy. She's like, yes.
I love Korean. Yeah, I love Korean. Yeah. 네, 천천히 말씀해 드릴게요.
네.
미국 텍사스는 어때요? 그러면 한국에서 지내기 좀 추워요? 날씨 요새 춥잖아요. 한국에서 친구들 많이 사귀었어요?
많이 있어요. 한국 사람과 외국인들도 있어요.
I think
Oh,
he
so
will.
super quiet.
I know. I was like, Jesus Christ, help me.
low tone and high tone.
If I was more confident speaking Korean, I'd be like,
Speak Korean. Speak Korean. Okay. Speak Korean.
네, 알겠습니다. Well,
Yeah.
you speak in Korean, she's like all confident, and she's like, yeah, and then like as soon as she speaks English, she's like, same thing.
Yeah, same thing. 오늘 너무 추웠죠?
추워요, 예. 옛날에 너무 추워요.
옛날에 너무 추워요?
예, 갑자기 아니요?
갑자기? 네.
네.
저번 주까지는 안 추웠는데 이번 주 좀
네네네.
추워져서.
네, 맞아요.
네. 느낌 알겠다. 내가 한국어를 내 영어를 들었을 때 너의 느낌을 나의 느낌을 알겠다. 네.
She's like, I just got it now.
Yeah.
Just realized.
Yeah. I realized. I will teach you in Korean, and you teach me in English. Okay. Okay. Adventure, Korean, and New Year.
Yeah,
Okay.
adventures,
Yes.
yes.
It's very good idea. 네. I'm very tired now.
You said we would practice, so we're gonna practice, okay? Ride or die.
I want your number.
Okay.
Okay. Thank you.
Bye.
됐습니다. 바이.
It's very helpful for me. But after that, I can speak more.
I get a job.
I want to get a job. I want to speak more fluently.
Yeah.